I was standing out here waiting for our windows to arrive. They're finally going to bring them today, but initially we were going to wait on the windows and get them from home because we could buy them as a contractor, thinking the pricing would be better. But when we checked the pricing, it was like twice what we paid for these windows here. Now, these aren't the greatest windows in the world, but they're going to do. So we bought them from a person on Facebook Marketplace, and they were the only ones who advertised that they would deliver. And I think my battery's running out, and here she comes. Got our windows yesterday. Just a minute. We went too deep for Lowe's afterwards. And we got this shower pan that's got a crack in it. Discouraging. What did you want?
That tape that just fell on the floor. Roll of tape. Black. Quick crack, roll of tape.
Oh, it's way over here.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm coming out there. So this is the window we're putting in now. Took out the old window and he framed this in. I happen to be the cut person because that's what I do.
So I framed this in.
Yeah.
I framed this in
Right.
to make the window smaller.
Right, because we had to use a...
Now I'm going around putting a few of these in there to seal this aluminum back to the house.
Okay.
So then I've got some butyl tape, and I'm going to come around the perimeter all the way around, and then I'm going to set my window in there. And once the window's set in there and I get it square and level, we'll put her in with nails. And that's only going to cover about 1.5 inches of this.
Right.
So then that's where this tape comes in. This tape is going to cover the flange and a little bit over the aluminum.
Oh, okay.
So that's going to seal it. So it's going to be sealed with butyl between the window and here. It's going to be sealed with this between the window and the siding. And then of course we got our trim board going around, and it's going to be flashed up underneath that drip edge up there.
Okay.
So we won't have any window leaks anymore.
Never again. Here. Put some more.
What?
I'll do it just a minute. I just wanted to record this. This is the window we took out of there, which was an event in itself. I'll try and show you the next one. It's in from the outside, so it's just how it works. It's kind of cold. Kinda. Very cold today. Alright, I'll pick this back up again when we got something else done. Hey. Super fabulous. They're really a cheap window though. Scott says like the slide doesn't come out. But you know, they're gonna look really good and we're gonna secure them up real nice. For a cheap window, you know, what do you want? Man, it's cold today again. Woo-wee.
Okay, window install is done. Waiting for Robin to do her paint, and then we will trim. So everything's looking good. Everything's sealed up, and we're good to go.
Today I had a quick stop at Lowe's to pick up some more tape for the outside of the windows. And stop at Norris RV Suppliers, just not far from us either, to get some butyl tape for the windows also. Back to work today. We're gonna put in some more windows. You can see we got in all the windows on this side now are done. Well, except for the trim on the outside, and of course we're gonna paint the trailer yet, but yeah, still looking for an outside door for the hot water cabinet back there, and we'll put in a new entrance door. But yeah, this is where we're at. So we're sinking a little bit here, getting closer to getting permits so we can get this moved. So this is what we're gonna work on today. This big window, hopefully, which is the other side of the living room, and this window, which is the kitchen. Hopefully do today. And Scott took off the board there that was for the addition they had on the house when it was in Scottsdale. So yeah, needs a paint job and a cleaning for sure. Yeah, it'll look so much better when it's painted. Okay, so that's where we're at today. Just gotta take a quick peek over here. We've burned so much stuff, it's amazing how this just gets down to nothing. We did get a burn permit from the county to do this. I'll have to clean up that spot. It's all for sure out now, but I can shovel that into a bag, take it to the dump, get back our pit. All right, back to work. Taking the old window out and prepping for the new window. What?
I don't know.
Oh, there?
I don't know, there.
This is the other new window from the inside. So we'll still have to trim this out on the inside and then, you know, put regular house trim here also. But it should look nice. Okay, the opening is there. Window is out. Scott takes all the screws from the outside out, and it's in there with putty or caulk or whatever you want to say. That's all that holds it in there. Got the generator out, the circ saw. I cut the 2x4s and the 1x4s for him, and that's where we are right now. Window goes in the junk pile, and Scott's going to put in the fillers so we can make the new window fit. What you got to do that's what you do when you're trying to save a couple bucks. Put stock windows in a non-stock opening. Could have special ordered, I guess, but you know, it's like not worth it since we're redoing everything anyways, so it'll be fine.
All this old butyl tape's got to come off. I'll scrape that off and put the window on, the old window on the poo pile. And we'll check up on installer again.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and move it on. Come on, said babe. I said babe. Oh honey, come and move along. You gotta feel it, yeah. You gotta move along. Gotta feel it. Let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow! Come on, and groove along. Come on. Said babe, I said babe, oh honey, come and groove along. You gotta feel it, yeah, you gotta move along. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel. You gotta feel it on the roadway. You gotta move along, baby. You gotta move along. I said, baby, you gotta move along. I said, honey, take it real slow.
I only got one. Just a minute. Only got one stair. So, yeah. Use a bucket. Barely get myself up here.
You can hand me that screen too.
Okay, I got the camera on. What'd you say?
The screen.
You want the screen?
My phone.
Oh, on your phone. Where's your phone?
The screen is right over there, leaning on the wall somewhere. Over that way.
Oh. This nice new screen right here. Can't put that in from out there, can you?
I sure can.
Well, you're just Mr. Oh, look at that. Another beautiful new window.
Shut that window.
He always has to take a picture of it to send it to Scotty Jr. Cause, you know, Scotty puts them in for a living. Still, Scott used to, but now he just does it for us. That's enough. Oh, I'm so excited about that. It just looks, already feels so much cleaner in here, and it's quieter for sure, we can tell. So that's pretty amazing. Super happy.